Oh, God. Oh, missed about 10 seconds then. But for a dicky. Yeah, my hair's getting a bit long now. And, next Friday I'm going to the hairdresser and getting it cut again. Really short. Oh, poor for a dicky. Has it stopped? No, it's not stopped. Oh, God, I'm going to wake the neighbours here. How do I stifle a sneeze? Is that like trying to stop it? I don't know. I want to try and stop it now. Oh, there you go. That was stifled or not? Did it stop it? No, because I can feel it coming on again. Oh. God, I've been sneezing a lot the last few days. But unfortunately not been able to catch all on camera. Because I don't always have my phone with me. I'm in the garden or I'm walking with the dogs, so... Oh, what was funny today? We took the dogs for a walk and it was really, really warm weather. And we knew they needed something to cool down, like something like water or something. I said to my friend Leah, walk down this path here through the woods and we'll come to the pond. She was ahead of me and Menno, the male dog, was leading the way. And I was behind. And at one point she said to me, where's the path? I said, what do you mean where's the path? We were on it. She says, not anymore. We were stuck in the middle of this woods. We hadn't got a clue where we were. There was bramble bushes, there was holly bushes. Oh my God, my legs were all scratched up and my arms were all scratched up. Leah's arms and legs were all scratched up. But anyway, we eventually found a pond and the dogs loved it. Anyway, that's my sneezing finished. Maybe I should take some videos of my dogs as well. Maybe like that as well. I don't know. Well, anyway, in March, I think we're going to start making puppies with the two dogs. So there'll be videos there to watch as well. Hope you like them. Love you all. Bye. And I go... This never works for me, so I'll just go...